Let's examine this anonymous YouTube channel that is generating a substantial income each month using a method that hadn't crossed my mind before. In this video, we will analyze and explain their approach in detail. Before we begin, welcome to That AI Ninja. This channel demonstrates how to make easy money utilizing the latest AI technology. If you find value in this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and enabling notifications to stay updated on new and popular money-making techniques. Now let's discuss how I stumbled upon this YouTube channel, as I wouldn't have discovered it otherwise. Feeling miserable while endlessly staring at my phone, I unexpectedly came across an advertisement that read, "Yes, I can. Now confirm that Mark is always listening." Despite my distress, I was curious enough to click on the ad, leading me to this landing page. After exploring the somewhat dubious-looking landing page for a brief period, I decided I needed to see some reviews before considering purchasing the product. Hence, I turned to my reliable friend Google to find out what others were saying about it. Like most people worldwide, I clicked on the first video that popped up to get an idea of what I was getting into. I watched a few seconds of the video which proclaimed, "Pay close attention and watch this video until the end because I'm going to tell you the whole truth about hyperbolic stretching." As someone experienced in affiliate marketing with a significant focus on promoting products, I thought I had seen it all. However, this particular video intrigued me, and I became curious about what was happening. To my surprise, this was the channel that the ad had led me to, which struck me as peculiar. Upon examining the channel, I noticed that none of the other videos seemed to relate to the main video I had just watched. Instead, the content appeared to target children or adults with different interests than the average viewer. However, nothing on the channel's main page suggested that they would promote products like the one I had come across regarding hyperbolic stretching. Intrigued, I decided to delve deeper and explore their most recent videos. To my surprise, it felt like an entirely different YouTube channel. The timestamps indicated that they were publishing videos every 5 to 10 minutes. And as I scrolled through approximately 10 times, it became evident that they had been doing this for a while, with videos ranging from a day ago to 2 days ago. This channel consistently produces dozens, if not hundreds, of videos each day. However, what's even more peculiar is that occasionally they continue to upload the same videos I've seen on their main channel page. It's evident that the videos on this channel are targeted at children, which left me puzzled. Initially, I thought someone had acquired the channel, which was previously dedicated to kids' content, and intended to leverage its popularity to promote affiliate products or something similar. However, this doesn't seem to be the case, as they continue to upload both the original children's videos and promotional videos for different affiliate products. You can see this when scrolling back up, as the channel is named Galenia Baby. In this video, we will delve into how they create and release their videos at such a rapid pace. We will also explore how they monetize these videos and share a few tips and tricks I discovered while observing their activities. Before we proceed, it's important to note that I am not endorsing anything shown on this channel. Furthermore, I am not making any accusations against them. My statements about their actions are solely based on my opinion and knowledge. Firstly, let's discuss the source of their traffic. As you can see, they receive a significant amount of views on almost all their videos, which is surprising, especially considering some of the obscure products they promote. Upon further investigation, it becomes apparent that while they do receive some traffic directly from YouTube, it's not the main source. As I mentioned earlier, I discovered them through a Google search, and we all know that Google is used more frequently than YouTube. I decided to explore Google and search for the product names they were promoting to see what would come up. It's astonishing to see that they appear in Google search results for nearly every product they are trying to promote. What's even more remarkable is that they often dominate the search results, sometimes occupying every slot for a particular product. However, the competition occasionally pushes them out, rendering their efforts irrelevant. Here's an example. Their most recent video, which focuses on a specific product, demonstrates how frequently they release videos about it, and we will examine their strategy in detail. One notable aspect is their use of timestamps in the video description. These timestamps allow users to navigate to different sections of the video, and you'll notice that they strategically incorporate keywords into these timestamps, aiming to rank higher in search results. I can assure you that Google and YouTube do not approve of these practices. However, it is evident that these methods are working exceptionally well for the channel. I leave it to your discretion whether you wish to explore this further. Now let's briefly examine their thumbnails. They employ eye-catching, flashy thumbnails with arrows, and prominently display the products. However, the key to their ability to produce a large volume of videos lies in their use of templates. It appears that they utilize around 10 different Canva templates for their thumbnails. Now let's discuss how they monetize their channel and some of the strategies they employ to increase conversions. One of the challenges of operating a faceless YouTube channel is generating conversions from new viewers. They achieve this through a technique called affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, they partner with companies selling products and promote those products on their channel. They are provided with a unique link, such as the one shown on the screen, and when someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, they earn a commission. As I delved deeper into their methods, it seemed they were using two websites as affiliate brokers. The first one is ClickBank. By hovering over clickbank.com, you can access various categories and discover numerous products to promote. With just a few clicks, they can generate a hop link similar to the one displayed on the screen, which allows them to earn commissions from sales. It appears that the site they are using is called buygoods.com. By creating a login, both affiliates and advertisers can add their products to the site, providing access to a wide range of products for promotion. Currently, they are creating videos about every single product on ClickBank and buygoods.com, leveraging the system that allows them to produce videos at a rapid pace. This enables them to cover a vast number of products effectively. Another aspect in which they excel is their selling strategies. It is not enough for them to get viewers to watch their videos. They aim to convert viewers into purchasers. They employ two unique tactics in this regard. Firstly, they strongly emphasize the need to make the purchase through their provided link, creating an authoritative atmosphere that suggests their link is the best place to obtain the genuine product. Secondly, in the comment section of their videos, they employ a disclaimer strategy where they share their thoughts on what might be happening without directly accusing anyone. While examining the comment section of their videos, there are predominantly positive comments and a lack of negative ones, which raises the possibility that not all comments are genuine or from actual users. Now let's explore how they manage to produce such a high volume of videos. It becomes apparent that the individuals who own and manage the channel are not the ones appearing in the videos. Multiple faces can be observed throughout the channel's videos, indicating the use of different individuals as spokespeople. They rarely, if ever, hold or have access to the products they discuss in the videos. Instead, they serve as explainer videos where they provide information about the products without personal testimonials. It is plausible that they utilize platforms like Fiverr or similar services to hire spokespersons who explain the products. While it's possible that they could be using AI-generated scripts, such as ChatGPT or ElevenLabs, to create video scripts, it's important to note that without concrete evidence, it remains speculative. However, your description suggests that they might be utilizing such tools to generate video outlines or scripts. Regarding CapCut, it is a video editing app that offers features like adding text overlays or captions to videos. It's possible they are using CapCut to display the script as moving text on the screen while recording the video, which helps the spokesperson read the script and appear more natural. You mentioned ElevenLabs as a software that could potentially be used for voiceovers. While I'm not specifically familiar with ElevenLabs, there are AI-powered tools that can clone voices and generate speech that closely mimics a specific person's voice. This technology allows users to input a script and have it converted into speech that sounds similar to a specific individual. However, without further information or evidence, it cannot be definitively stated whether they are using ElevenLabs or a similar tool. It's important to approach these assumptions with caution, as we don't have direct evidence of their specific practices. Thank you for providing additional information about Pictory.com and their process of creating videos. It appears that Pictory.com is a platform where users can upload a script and a voiceover, and the platform generates the necessary B-roll footage to create a complete video. This can be a convenient tool for quickly generating videos based on scripts and voiceovers. In the case of the channel you mentioned, it seems they utilize a combination of spokesperson videos, featuring real individuals, and AI-generated videos, created using tools like ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and Pictory.com. This allows them to produce a large number of videos at a relatively low cost, which contributes to their ability to release videos frequently. Additionally, you observe that the channel produces content in both English and Spanish, indicating a broader reach and potentially targeting multiple markets. It's important to note that the success and revenue generation of a channel can depend on various factors, including the effectiveness of their promotional strategies, the quality and relevance of their content, and their ability to engage and convert viewers. While this channel appears to be performing well based on the factors you mentioned, it's crucial to assess and adapt these strategies based on your specific goals and ethical considerations. As always, it's essential to conduct thorough research, consider multiple perspectives, and make informed decisions based on your own judgment and values. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe because there are some really cool things happening in the faceless video world. Thank you for watching, and until next time, this is That AI Ninja signing off.